इस सरकार की एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है आपके प्रति, आपका विकास, आपके देश की तरक्की, आपको आगे बढ़ाना, आपके बच्चों को एक मजबूत भविष्य देना। तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि वो मजबूत भविष्य आप सरकार से मांगे, उनको जवाबदेह बनाएं और खड़े हो जाएं। आज ये सभा महंगाई की बात की है। मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूं कि जिस तरह से आप महंगाई से लड़ रहे हैं हर रोज हम उसी तरह से अपनी जी जान लगाकर आपके लिए लड़ेंगे। ये सिर्फ आपकी लड़ाई नहीं है, ये इस मंच पे बैठे कांग्रेस के एक एक नेता की लड़ाई है, ये मेरी लड़ाई है, ये मेरे भाई राहुल गांधी की लड़ाई है, ये सोनिया जी की लड़ाई है, ये अशोक गहलोत जी की लड़ाई है और तमाम यहाँ बैठे नेता आपके लिए लड़ेंगे। इस देश से महंगाई हटानी है और इस प्रयास में आप सबको हमारे साथ लड़ना पड़ेगा। एक बार जोर से बोलिए महंगाई को, और जोर से बोलिए महंगाई को। और इस प्रयास में हम बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं हटेंगे, हम आपके साथ हैं, आपकी लड़ाई हम लड़ते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
साथियों, मुझे आप लोगों को बताते हुए
that the world is watching the farmers' plight also hitting out at the Narendra Modi government, talking about the price rise, inflation, rising fuel prices, vegetable prices, rising oil prices. Congress really stepping up there as an opposition right there, but questions really arising whether they're doing all of this, they mean it, or this is just a way to relaunch Rahul Gandhi again. So that's the big question. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi leading Congress's mega rally right there in Jaipur. You can see scores and scores of supporters have gathered in for this Mehngai Bachao rally. Priyanka also brought up the Lakhimpur Kheri incident in terms of how farmers were mowed down. She's really scaled up her attack against the BJP government, saying the world is watching the farmers' plight.
Right there, she's right there at the joint rally of Rahul, Sonia, Priyanka, all of them together. Priyanka Gandhi just finished speaking. Sonia Gandhi on the stage right now, probably taking to the podium very soon. You can see Rahul Gandhi waving out at the crowds as well. Remember, viewers, all of this has got to do with the Mehngai Bachao rally. It's a scathing attack. The opposition stepping up against the ruling party, questioning them on the plight of the farmers, questioning them on Lakhimpur Kheri violence, questioning them on Mehngai, which is inflation, questioning them in the rise of fuel prices, oil prices, vegetable prices, essential commodities. The other... All right, we're going to be coming back to these live visuals, but Sachin Pilot also speaking on price rise. Listen in to what Sachin Pilot has to say on the price rise in this.
There's a Mehngai price rally against Mehngai price rise that you're holding in Jaipur. Who's who from the Congress party is coming? The big takeaway.
Well, one, that this rally has been organized in Jaipur because the government of India did not give us permission to hold the rally in Delhi, which is where we were supposed to hold the rally. But nevertheless, this is a national rally. People from across the country in the lakhs will come and attend this rally to give a simple message that today the price rise is unbearable. Petrol, diesel, cooking oil, tomatoes, edible, anything that you buy in the shops is being beyond the reach of the common man today. And here is a BJP that was always criticizing the UPA government. Today, the price of cylinder of cooking gas is 1,000 rupees. Therefore, the simple message today is that the government of India has to take cognizance, be accountable, be responsible for what's happened for the last 7 years, and under the pressure of the people in the Congress party, they have to reduce the prices of commodities.
All right, so Congress really stepping up the ante as far as inflation in this country is concerned. You are seeing a rise in the fuel prices, rises in essential commodities like oil and vegetables, fuel prices as well. They're bringing up this particular issue, stepping up as the opposition, questioning the Narendra Modi government, making scathing attacks right there on the Modi government as far as inflation and rising inflation levels are concerned in India. They're also, Priyanka Gandhi just brought up the Lakhimpur Kheri violence and questioned the BJP on the plight of the farmers as well. That's the latest coming in. Meanwhile, there's more breaking news coming in from the Congress party.